This is the October RoccaBox and this edit is called Think Pink. So let's have a little look to see what we've got this month. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video I have an unboxing for you. I'm a few days late with this one, but this is my October RoccaBox. Let's open it on up. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. Wow, the scent of rose is so strong. Woo! But yeah, here is the box, and this came with it too, so obviously they couldn't fit it in the box. If you are interested in receiving this box, it's £15 per month and it's £2.95 postage as well. I will pop a link down in the information box and the comment box for you. If you click that, I'm sure you get your first box half price, which is fabulous. But opening the box up, we get the edit card. It has information on all the products in here, which is fab. There we go, there is the sneak peek. But yeah, let's have a good dig through to see exactly what we've got. Just quickly going back to the edit card, it just says that this edit is called Think Pink. And should I read all of that out? I won't. I'll pick little bits from it out. Let's have a look. Our Think Pink box is worth over £70. It includes 5 products from brands that we love, all of which have been carefully selected by the team. For busy mums who need an extra boost of self-care, to women who are going through health concerns, this box is designed to help you make you feel supported and empowered during even the toughest of days. And as we think pink, we want you to get involved too. It also says that we're so excited to announce that this October we are giving away 100 complimentary boxes to spread love and positivity this month. Each week we will select 25 people who have been nominated by the friends and family to receive a complimentary box full of feel-good beauty goodies. So think about somebody you might know who might need a little bit of extra love and support right now, and head to the QR code on the back of the flyer to nominate. Then on the back here we have the sneak peek for the November box. So the sneak peek is by the brand We Are Paradox. Oh, and it's a blow dry spray. It's so nice to get something different by them. It's always some form of conditioner thing that we get, or an oil. So yeah, there it is there, sneak peek. First product I'm going to show you is this. So this is what actually wouldn't fit in the box. They had to put it beside it. But this is by the brand Umberto Janine, and it's from their Flowerology collection. And this is Cocoa and Rose Vegan Mask, a hair mask. The RRP for this is £9.75, and it just says take a moment for yourself with this uber hydrating treatment hair mask designed to help dry, dehydrated hair get a moisture boost it needs. It works to deeply penetrate each hair shaft while moisturising and hydrating your locks from root to tip. We love that it's also made of 97% natural ingredients and is vegan and cruelty free, so you can feel good about using it too. Fabulous. So I actually have 1 or 2 of these, which I haven't tried yet. I've had them a while. They're in a drawer. I need to start like digging stuff out and start getting videos done, because I keep thinking I'm going to save that for a video and I never get round to it. I need to start doing it. But yeah, this is the rose that I can smell. It is so strong. If you do not like the rose scent, you are definitely not going to like this. But it's quite nice actually. It's not a bad rose smell. But yeah, that's number 1. Second product we have is this. So this is by the brand Q&A, and this is Vitamin Ace Warming Gel Mask. This has an RRP of £8.50, so again really affordable. It just says unwind with this antioxidant rich face mask that's been packed with some of our favourite superfood ingredients. This mask warms your skin on application, then turns milky as you wash it away. It's highly moisturising, it's deeply nourishing, making it perfect treat for a relaxing evening. I've had one or two things by this brand and it's actually been quite good. It's even better that it is affordable. I'm quite interested to see what that warming sensation feels like. So yeah, and obviously I love the packaging. I love the packaging. Love pink. It is sealed. We're going to keep that sealed. The third product we have is this. So this is by the brand Skin and Tonic, and it is a Bee Soothed Rose Mist. It has an RRP of £10 and it just says brush off your stresses with this feel good floral mist. Bee Soothed Rose Mist instantly lifts your spirits with this soft mood enhancing scent. It's super hydrating blend of rose water, aloe and glycerin perks up the skin too, leaving you looking as refreshed as you feel. Yeah, cool. So we have a rather large rose theme going on. I'm not going to spray it, I'm just going to have a little whiff. Whew, yeah, again, super strong rose scent. So if you don't like rose scent, you're really not going to like this box, because so far there's 2 products in here that stink of rose. But yeah, we'll give it a go and see what it's like. Fourth product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Figs in Rouge and it is a blush velvet cream. It has an RRP of £35. So what is it? Hydra Matte Pore Correction Velvet Cream. Okay. An innovative pore perfecting formula with a replenishing and hydrating matte effect. This unique formula helps to brighten the skin and unclog pores while also helping to restore natural radiance. Blend onto the T-zone and over enlarged pore areas with your fingertips before applying makeup. Alternatively, wear over moisturiser for a nude matte look. Okay, so it's a bit like a primer then, I suppose. I don't know. I've received some awesome products from this brand, but the last few times I've received products by this brand, it's in the beauty boxes, it's been very samey, so that's a shame. I'd love to experience some other different products by this brand because they are actually really nice. So I do love the packaging, it's so nice. Is sealed, we are keeping that sealed. But yeah, as I say, we'll give it a go and see if it's any good. I have noticed the older I get, the more pronounced my pores are getting. But yeah, we'll check it on out. And final product we have is this. So this is by the brand Faith in Nature and this is Wild Rose Handmade Soap. It has an RRP of £7. It just says, we adore this handmade pure vegetable soap that gently cleanses, tones and purifies without drying the skin. Its naturally powerful detergent action effectively removes dirt and bacteria and is formulated using the highest quality natural derived ingredients with 100% natural fragrance. The fresh fragrance of rosemary is perfect for an energizing your mind, body and spirit. Okay. Again, it smells nice. It smells very nice. But you are buggered if you don't like the rose scent. There's 3 of the main items in this box is rosy. I don't know, a hand soap doesn't really excite me if I'm honest. But I suppose, yeah, people will like that. Nice. So this is the October RoccaBox. The edit is called Think Pink. What do you think? Personally, it's an okay box. It is, it's alright. We were promised when they did the price increase a while ago now that it was going to be more of a deluxe box with higher end brands. I'm not really seeing that with this box. Yes, the Figs in Rouge product there is worth £35. Lovely jubbly. Obviously that's the worth of the box altogether and more just for that one product. But other than that, everything else in there is very affordable, just generally normal products, normal brands I should say. So yeah, it would be nice to see some more better higher end brands in the box. But overall, we get a hair mask, we've got a face mask, we've got some rose spritzy misty stuff for the face, some kind of pore thing for your pore creamy stuff for your face, and a hand soap. So it's not a bad box. It's just some of the products can be looked at as samey. So yeah, a lot of the other beauty boxes that we get, I'm sure I've had this before, I'm sure it looks so familiar. We get a lot of products going around in the beauty boxes with this brand, pretty much the primers and stuff to do with pores, so it would be nice to get something different by that brand. We have received a few, I'm sure I've got 1 or 2 of them in my cupboard, and I've definitely got 1 or 2 of these masks in there. But yeah, it's all right. It's all right. It's not a totally dreadful box, but it's not an absolute fantastic one either. Yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one.